Okay, hello, we're working on an Algebra 1 problem on which we're going to use PointSlope form. Instructions are given to write in SlopeIntercept form the given information of the x and y coordinates of -4 and 2, and also given the slope equaling 2. So the approach for this will be the following. We are going to put this information into PointSlope form. And so once done so, it will look as follows. Knowing and labeling that the -4 is the x coordinate, and knowing that it's the first x coordinate, so you label it as x1, and the 2 is the y coordinate. Not only that, is the first y coordinate, so you label it as y1. So the x1, -4, and the 2, the y1, will go into this form. And also the slope will go into the form accordingly. And once inputted, it should look as so. So first you take the values and put them into PointSlope form. I'm showing the blanks here to let the student know that that's how you set it up first, and then you fill in the information given. Once you fill it in, you use algebra to work out and simplify the equation accordingly, so that you can change it into SlopeIntercept form, y equals mx plus b. That is your goal. So in order to do so, notice that you have a double negative that will turn into a positive. I bring down everything else, and then the parentheses will tell me mathematically that I have to multiply and to distribute the 2 to be more exact. So 2 times x, and then 2 times 4. That will give me, after I bring down the y minus 2 equals, that will bring me, or give me, 2x plus 8. And again, I have one more step to turn this particular expression into SlopeIntercept form. My goal is to isolate the y, and so the only thing that is next to the y is a -2. And so as we all know in algebra, the only way of canceling a -2 is to add 2 to both sides. And so after adding 2 to both sides, I perform the math, and I am left with the answer. Y equals 2x plus 2, on which the slope is 2 and the intercept is 10. So therefore, this is the answer because we have satisfied the instructions to write in SlopeIntercept form. And so, let's recap on how we started. First, we started with the given information. -4 and 2 were inputted into PointSlope form. Then we used algebra properties accordingly to isolate